again, and today we're going to talk about our top,
Top 5 early favorites for
the
Miss Universe
Yes.
2021.
or the 70th edition of Miss
Correct.
Universe, which will happen in Israel this coming December. So,
This judging is based according sa mga photo shoots, mga facial expressions, at saka yung dating nila, yung aurahan through photo shoots.
yes, how they present themselves sa social
Sa
media. Yes.
So, at also, ito yung nakikita po din namin yung mga pasarela nila, yung may mga teasers sila, tinitingnan din namin. So, for now, ito yung top 5 natin.
In random.
In random order to ha.
So, let's start with Miss Venezuela.
No?
Yeah.
Kasi, expected naman talaga pag Venezuela talaga. Sabi nga nila, pag ang Miss Universe, pag walang Venezuela, parang hindi Miss Universe
Yes.
beauty pageant.
Correct.
So,
Parang sash, ano yun eh, sash factor.
oh yes,
no?
dapat talaga nandun siya. Pero honestly naman, yung mga photos niya, oh my God, what can you say? Venezuela
At
is
ang
always
rampa,
Venezuela.
at ang rampa, tsak.
As in,
Ano, grabe, ang
yung
ganda,
mukha.
ang ganda talaga.
So,
O,
kaya-
Latina, tsak, oh. Diba? Venezuela kasi ang mukha, katawan,
tangkad, height.
ang gandang maglakad. So I like her, Venezuela. That's
The number
One of our top
4
five.
is, pinasok din namin yung, ano talaga, yung
Miss Thailand.
Thailand.
Yes.
it doesn't mean yung Thailand na, of course, maraming ano na hindi nagustuhan sa kanya, pero na-review namin, skills talaga niya, iba.
Yes.
I would start by showing them empirical evidence because I think it's irresponsible for us to ignore empirical evidence. But I'll also talk about neutralism because I think if you're neutral, you're on the side of the opposer. And climate change is no different. We have a moral responsibility to do what's right and to do what's right for our younger generations. So I would pull our social responsibilities and moral responsibility card because it's essential for human race to continue in a safe manner. Thank you.
Yung itsura niya naman maganda.
Ang
Tsaka-
ganda din.
Iba
At
din.
saka yung mga photoshoots niya, ang
Ganda
ganda-ganda.
din siya.
Niya, ang
Ganda
ganda-ganda
din siya. So,
ng mukha.
tsaka
Yes.
gusto ko yung mukha niya kasi talaga nandun yung pagka-Asian talaga yung naghahalong, basta yung Asian talaga, yung distinct na pagka-Asian
Yes,
beauty niya
and
nandun.
ang ganda din magsalita.
Pero
Yun talaga
I
yung
think-
nakapanalo ni Miss Thailand ha, yung home skills niya. Kasi may yung yung nakaputi na gown na contestant, yun yung bet ko. Pero sa home skills na ipanalo ni Miss Thailand yung pagiging Miss Universe representative niya. Kasi
then-
magaling siyang lumingwa eh.
Yes, magaling siyang magsalita. And I know there
Dito yung
is a lot of
totoo sa-
bashing from the internet no na hindi siya magaling maglakad. Yes, hindi siya magaling
Yes,
maglakad.
really.
I also have come to a point no na ano bang pipiliin nila yung magaling nang maglakad pero hindi naman ganun kaganda yung communication skills. Ako, I would rather choose someone na mas maganda na yung communication skills because communication skills is so difficult. No, hindi siya na tututunan ka agad in a week time or a month time.
Correct.
Pero yung pasarela, pwede pa siyang matutunan siguro in 2 months time she
Yes.
can improve.
Yung pasarela,
Pwede
magaling
pang
lang yun.
mag-improve.
Pwede pa yung mag-improve.
Remember
Yes.
guys, according sa Miss Universe an organization, they're not really looking someone nga particular good in English. They're looking for the content in every answer. Kasi they're not very particular sa grammar when it
Yes,
comes answers
correct.
because it's English is not a specific language.
Correct.
Yes.
So, ganito kasi, we're expecting kasi pag Thailander talaga, hindi talaga magaling silang mag-English. That's their weakness. Pero notice na naman natin, for the past years, pinapadala talaga nila yung magaling nang magsalita ng English. Even the last few years ago. Kaya nga, palagi silang pasok lately, I guess, no?
Bongga ng Thailand ngayon, ha? Pumapasok na talaga sila.
So, Thailand, congratulations because you made it for the top 5 from the Muñecas sa Subo.
Yeah, so we have Venezuela,
Venezuela,
we have Thailand. Next is we also would like to include Miss India, right?
Oh yeah, India, definitely the face, the softness of beauty
Ang
talaga.
fresh,
Freshness,
no?
iba. Narinig mo siyang sumagot? Hindi ko pa masyadong nagsalita, hindi ko pa
Ano siya?
masyadong-
She can speak English fluently.
which is good na yan. That's also an advantage from India.
My topic is global warming and climate change. One day, life will flash before your eyes, make sure it's worth watching. But this is not the life we want to watch. But climate is dying, the environment is dying. It is one of the fiasco that us as human has done to the environment, but I think we still have time to undo our irresponsible behavior. Earth is all what we have in common, and these small acts as individuals, when multiplied by billions, it can transform the whole world. Start now, from tonight, switch off those extra lights when not in use. Thank you.
So, bongga talaga yung Miss Universe ngayon, no? Lingwa talaga yung labanan
Yes.
ngayon. Kasi pag magaling
Because
sa
dahil,
lingwa,
dahil yan ni Catriona, si Silis Catriona.
tinaas,
Right.
tinaas mo yung standard ng Miss
Kasi
Universe
lahat talaga
dahil
dapat,
Catriona.
even though it's not as required na magaling ka mag-English, pero yung mga
It's still an advantage.
organizer
Yes,
na
advantage
talaga,
siya.
pinapadala nila yung magaling na talaga mag-English.
Yeah.
So which
For
is
me,
it's an
India.
edge
At saka
talaga.
yung gusto ko sa India talaga, yung photo shoots niya, yung mga picture na pinapakita talaga, makikita mo talaga yung softness at saka yung innocence
Bata.
niya, yung
Correct.
youthfulness.
Tignan mo katawan ni Miss India, parang Kim Chu, ang liit
Ang
lang.
liit.
Liit-liit
Ang
kayo.
liit. Parang
India ta.
isang ganun mo lang.
Correct.
And
like
then,
India.
of course, my number 2 spot is na Beatriz. Kasi yung number 1 kasi
Philippines.
yung is not only she's coming from the
Yeah.
Philippines. I'm not to be biased, pero yung ano talaga, yung nakita ko yung pasarela niya lately.
Kini ang akong matahom ug mabulokong syudad sa Subo.
Kayong live
Improve.
interview niya sa magandang
Buhay.
buhay.
Para sa'yo, saang aspeto ka sa competition pinaka-confident at saan ka rin yung kailangan mong i-improve?
I know I'm confident po sa question and answer and communication skills ko and my pasarela, but as an introverted person po who forced myself into facing the crowd, I want to work more on interacting with other people. Kasi dun po ako medyo dapat mag-improve.
At saka yung mga interview talaga yung alam niya talaga sinasabi niya yung mga weakness at saka yung dapat niyang improve, and then she's doing a lot of improvement lately from the yung nakikita ko talaga sa Instagram kasi nagfa-follow ako sa kanya. Pati din sa Facebook, tinitingnan ko yung mga late niya. At saka yung pati sa TikTok, yung mga post ng mga different mga pagdating kay Beatrice talaga, mga dying hard tulad namin, nakikita mo talaga na nag-improve talaga si Beatrice, and that's why we're very happy. And yung ano talaga yung aura din ni Beatrice, ang gusto ko, kasi pag i-blend mo siya sa mga Latina, iba yung beauty din niya.
Beatrice, lumalaban.
Iba yung beauty niya, parang there's something kakaiba sa kanya na hindi common sa lahat ng candidates. Kaya yun ang
Ang
paabangan natin.
What I like most about Beatrice lang siguro is her confidence. It's not too confident. Tama lang, and then hindi siya nagsa-stutter, and then hindi rehearsed masyado yung the way she speaks. I like it. It comes from the heart.
It is very evident that all of us went through difficulties during this pandemic, but it is also proof that we are able to rise to the occasion. And if anything happened to me during my reign, I will not give up and inspire others by rising to the problems that I am encountering and by inspiring them that whatever you're going through, you will be able to overcome it.
paplakahin mo ng English, Tagalog, ang galing na, ang Diyos ko, Day.
Kaya I'm
I'm expecting
that's why
papasok
number
pa
2
talaga.
talaga siya.
Correct.
Number 1 talaga namin is Paraguay.
Ay,
Kasi-
Paraguay.
Paraguay. Kasi, my God,
Ay, the
kakaiba to.
mukha. Parang Angelina Jolie.
my
Ang laki
gosh.
ng mata.
Yung
ang
mata,
lips,
ganun talaga.
ganyan, di
Lips,
ba?
mukha, sa mga pictures. Number 1, ito talaga yung pinibigyan namin ng malaking percentage while assessing the content, itong content na to according to sa photo shoots talaga at saka yung mga pasarela, mga video na nilalabas nila. Paraguay talaga is oh my God, beauty is not a question. Kumbaga,
Yes. Lahat ng
lahat
angles,
sa-
all
lahat
angles
ang
are
Nasa
perfect.
sa'yo na.
Tinitingnan talaga namin ang angle kung saan pumapangit si Paraguay. Kasi wala kami nakikita sa kanyang pangit. So, inisa-isa namin, sinuzoom namin yung mata, yung ilong, yung bibig, tsaka yung mukha niya, yung
Oh my
angle,
gosh.
yung katawan niya. Oh my
Yes.
God, sana all ganyan Paraguay yung yung...
So, etong mga top 5 na to, kung hindi man sila makapasok sa top 5, dapat pasali sila sa top 10.
This is our
no?
personal choice ha. Sa aming tatlo, yung
Sa ngayon pa lang yan,
unanimous decision
hindi pa
namin.
yan kasali doon ang advocacy, hindi
Yes.
pa kasali yung mga iba na mga criteria sa mga judging na may later
This
on.
is just how they present
Set
themselves sa social media.
Kasi gano'n
no?
naman talaga tayo. Sabi niya, don't judge the book by its cover, but let's just be honest, diba? Kung ano yung una nakikita natin sa photo,
ano yung-
meron na nakikreate sa mind natin, ay, ang ganda niya. So,
Yes.
nag-give na ng impression. So, ito yung 5 na nagbibigay sa amin ng lakas ng impression sa atin
Yes.
sa
Ano
society.
pa lang to, parang premature.
Yeah, hindi pa to hinog na hinog talaga. Pero alam namin isa dito ang sa 5 talagang mapapasok na talagang sure sa top
Sa,
3.
sa top
May isa
3 or
talagang
sa top
papasok
5.
sa top 3. It's too early to say, di ba?
Maga
So,
pa.
pero yung 5 talaga, para sa amin, for this month, kung ngayon ang pageant na, siguro kung this week na, para sa amin, wala na, based sa ang nakikita sa photoshoot at saka sa pasarela sa mga clips sa video, yun lang silang 5.
So yun guys, I think yun yung napili naming 5. That's gonna be India, Thailand, Venezuela, Paraguay, and Philippines. The reason bakit sinama namin yung Thailand, no, even if hindi ganun kabongga maglakad ang Thailand, because there's still enough time for her to improve with her pasarela
We consider her com skills talaga na.
and her beauty.
ang beauty.
Pero kapag
Yes.
hindi nag-improve yung pasarela niya, there is really a great tendency that she'll be out from the top. And we can replace Thailand with
I'll go for South Africa.
South Africa.
Kasi grabe yung com skills niya
Correct,
din.
correct.
Magaling din yung com skills.
Your question is, the elections are coming up. What are you looking for in a leader?
What I look for in a leader is somebody who is self-aware, very accountable, and encourages critical thinking, innovation, and action. But most importantly, prioritizes the personal development of every person in South Africa. I believe that a phenomenal leader possesses all these qualities. Thank you.
Yeah, tsaka, well, always remember South Africa, di ba? Wala talagang black na hindi papasok sa expected
Okay.
talaga yung Africa na
So yung
palagi.
South Africa, I would go for, naman sa akin, Mexico. Pero parang hindi naman magba-back to back. Ang hirap mag-back to back, but I still love Mexico. I like her beauty.
Pero yung top 5 na na to ha, fix na yun sa amin. Pero
Just in case, palitan
just in
sa
case,
Thailand.
Sino pa gusto mo ipasok na to? Sino pa? Kasi gusto ko, hindi ko pa kasi nakita yung
How about
base.
Vietnam?
Ay, bongga din ang Vietnam, no? For now, those are our top 5 favorites. So again, that would be Thailand. That would be Paraguay.
India.
That would be India.
Of course, our own Philippines.
And Venezuela. Okay, so we will give our final prediction once the Miss Universe pageant is really close, no? But for now, that is our top 5. Alright, so
Thank you,
thank you for
everyone.
watching
Till next
our
time.
updates.
Bye.
For the Miss Universe. Bye-bye.